Okay, so I'm actually going to give you a sneak peek of what we are going to be learning about next week. Okay, it's actually really easy. Okay, so we're learning about ratios. And what ratios are, they are a comparison of two quantities. So what that means is I'm going to be comparing two different things. So if I were to sit here and say, I want to compare the amount of boys to girls in the classroom, I would count how many boys there are, and I'm count how many girls there are, and then I would write my ratio. So let's look at an example of this. It says write the ratio of pencils let me highlight it. I'm trying to find my highlighter. Pencils to apples. Okay, and the biggest thing that you need to focus on here is making sure that you stay in the order of pencils to apples. Okay, so we have to sit here. How many pencils do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my word form, I'm going to say 6, 2, that's the word, 2, and then you have apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That's it. But there's 3 different ways you can write them. 6, 2, 4. You could also write it with a colon. 6, and that's just the 2 dots. The 2 dots. Okay? 6, 2, 4, 6, colon 4, and the colon is just holding the shift button down and the key that's next to the L, next to, okay? And then as a fraction, 6/4. That's what a ratio is. You're comparing pencils to apples. You got 6 pencils to 4 apples. That's a ratio. And like I said, there's 3 different ways you can write it.